Welcome back. Okay, so in my previous video I was preparing a shapefiles for a study area map. Yeah, so I've started this series of how to create a study area map, and in the very previous video, that video focused on how you can actually prepare your shapefiles to create a study area map. And in the middle of the video, I realized that, see, sometimes, let's say you have a community. This is the Polygon communities, and we can see that community like KNUST, like the KNUST is in a Polygon municipality, but KNUST is not part of the areas. Do you get it? But what if KNUST is your study area, or you want KNUST to be part of the communities? Domeabra is not also here. So what if, okay, Domeabra is here. Do you get it? Okay. So what if you want KNUST to be on the map? How would you do that? Okay, so to do that, I said you go to your Google Earth Pro software. So right away, you just go there, you open your Google Earth Pro software. Then let's say you search for KNUST. So this is KNUST. When it comes, so you can just do this. You see this yellowish point, then you select it, then you place it anywhere. This is the boundary of KNUST. Then you place it over there. Then you can name it KNUST. Then you click OK. After that, then you right click. Then you go to Save Place As. Then you look for a folder you are working with. So now, this is the folder I am working with. I'll just locate the folder. This is it. Then I'll name it. Okay, it's already named KNUST. Then I'll come back to the ArcGIS. Then I'll go to the Arc toolbox. The Arc toolbox is still loading. Then I'll go to the conversion tool from KML. In the first folder, I'll look for the folder I am working with. So let me locate it. So this is the KNUST KML. Then I'll select it. If you like, you can specify where you want it to be saved. If you like, you can leave it at the default location. Then you select OK. Wow, have you seen it? So now this is the KNUST point. Now it has appeared on its location on the Polygon municipality boundary. So now we want to convert this to a shapefile. So you right click on the point in the table of contents, then you go to data, then you go to export, then you go to the folder you are working with. You select it, how to create contextual map, Santiachem South. Then you can name it KNUST. You can add it over here. So now that this is here, we can remove the point. Now we don't need it again, so you can remove it. So now we have KNUST as a point. Have you seen that? So now that KNUST is here, have you seen it? This is the KNUST. So now you've specified where it is saved. You can also do the same for a boundary. Let's say KNUST is here. You can use this particular polygon. You see, it is polygon. You can use it to draw the boundary of KNUST. Let's just do some rough sketch over here. Then you can name it KNUST boundary. Have you seen it? Yes. Then you can also save the boundary. You right click, you go to Save Place As. KNUST boundary. You save it. Go back to the ArcGIS. You go to Arc toolbox from KML to layer. Then you go back to the folder you are working with. This is the folder I am working with where I saved it. Then I'll go to here. This one. Then I'll select it. Okay. See something? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Okay. Now, when it is done, you can just right click. You see that whitish color that has appeared? You can just right click on the polygon. You go to data, export data, KNUST boundary. Have you seen it? Yes. So this is KNUST. That's the boundary. Do you get it? So this is how you can export point. You can actually export points or import points from Google Earth Pro in a form of KML, then export them into the ArcGIS software and use them for your analysis. We tried points and we've tried a polygon. You can do the same for lines. Yes. So thank you very much for watching. So based on the previous video, of which I promised to create this video. Now, if the point is here, this is the full Chrome settlement. Now you have the KNUST and you can use it to do your analysis. Maybe KNUST is your study area. You can use it and come up with a study area map. I'll do another video and take you through how to use the Google Earth properly. Yes. Thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Please, if this is your first time being on my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for me, please. And once again, thank you very much for watching my video, and I would like to see you in the next video. Bye bye.